Introduce myself. My name is Heike. I'm originally from Germany. I am a domestic abuse survivor, acid attack survivor, and also I lost my middle daughter due to a medical negligence. I have encountered many hardships. It has been 16 years since my attack. I was 16 years in a domestic abusive relationship, physically and mentally. And today I am single. I live in Ohio. My 2 other daughters are grown. I share my story of hope. I share my story of where God can change you, where there is an ability to move on beyond your pain and suffering. Today I am bubbly, I am joyful, I enjoy my life even more so. I became this strong woman, and I always share my message of hope in my speaking engagements. So if you need a good speaker regarding any topics, could be wide range from domestic violence